Welcome to another edition of Survey Tutorials by Softbrik. Today we are going to learn how to build a statement table. Now statement tables are very useful to evaluate a set of variables and audience reaction to them in a condensed form, especially for mobile first UX. Let's dive into it. As usual, let's go inside a survey. We will take a sample. Reach the builder, add element. Next, we choose the element called statement table. Let us assume that we are going to take feedback on the various dimensions of a restaurant. So the question can be, how was your restaurant visit? As you see, a 5-point scale from agree to disagree has already been set. Maybe we want to really force our audience to give an opinion, to share their true opinion. So we will take away the no opinion option. Now let us assume the various dimensions of a restaurant on which you can take feedback. Food is of course the first one. Next one is maybe service. We add another statement on pricing, and maybe the final one is on ambience. As you see, a very nice table has been created, very compact one, asking the customer to give quick feedback on the various dimensions of the restaurant. Let's preview it. So you see, how was your restaurant visit, food, service, pricing, ambience. So this way you can take a lot of feedback in a very compact real estate, and this is extremely useful for mobile screens. Hope you enjoyed this Softbrik tutorial. Hope to see you soon.